In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to activate the red card on the Doordash app. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. After you acquire your red card from Doordash, you will receive instructions on how to properly activate it through the app. In this video, I'm gonna guide you through those instructions, and you will be able to reproduce this on the latest version of the app for iOS or Android devices. So open the Play Store or the App Store and make sure that you have the latest version available of the Doordash app. In there, you will be able to sign in using your credentials, so make sure that you sign into the proper account where you are going to be assigning and activating the red card for DoorDash. Inside of the app, there are two different ways to activate the card. If you are on an iOS device, tap on Account on the menu at the bottom. Of course, if the layout of the application looks the same to you even on Android, just follow these steps. But tap on Account at the bottom, and under your profile icon at the top, you will find this option. Did DoorDash give you a payment card? Immediately upon tapping this option or question, you will get a prompt on screen to activate the card using the new card's the light number and the last 4 digits. Alternatively, for some people, the layout of the app might be slightly different. If yours does not have the account option at the bottom, use the menu at the top left corner of the screen instead and select red card, as you can see over here. Regardless of which option you pick, either by going over to the account and then choosing Did DoorDash give you a payment card, or by going over to the menu at the top left corner of the screen and choosing red card, as you can see on the second picture, you will be able to input the new card's full light number and the last 4 digits of the full card number itself. As long as you are able to include those details in this window, the card will be properly activated, ready to use and tied to your account. It's very simple to do, and everything can be safely done through the latest version of the app. If you encounter issues while trying to do this, look at the physical paper that you got alongside your card, and that will also have detailed instructions on how to go about doing this process for Android and iOS through the mobile app. I hope I was able to help you on how to activate the red card on the DoorDash app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.